Man-portable air defense systems, or MANPADs, are surface-to-air missiles designed for use by an individual or a small team, primarily to target enemy aerial assets. Often called shoulder-fired anti-aircraft missiles, these weapons were first introduced in the 1960s by the United States and the Soviet Union, with the Redeye and Strela systems marking their debut. Since then, more than 20 countries have manufactured an estimated 1 million MANPADs, either for their own use or for export. MANPADs have been responsible for downing many helicopters as well as strike aircraft in Ukraine. In this video, Defense Updates lists the top 8 man-portable air defense systems, MANPADs. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. The Igla-S complex is the result of a deep upgrade of the 9K38 Igla. It's a substantially improved variant with a longer range, more sensitive seeker, improved resistance to the latest countermeasures, and a heavier warhead. The developer of the complex is the Mechanical Engineering Design Bureau, Kolomna. It has a range of 6 kilometers, that's 3.7 miles, a flight ceiling of 3.5 kilometers, or 11,000 feet, and a speed of Mach 1.9. The manufacturer reports a hit probability of 80 to 90%. The system features a more powerful warhead for enhanced damage and uses contact and timed fuses to increase attack range. Igla-S can be used as part of various ground, sea, and air-based carriers. Because of its technical characteristics, Igla-S is close to the level of short-range anti-aircraft systems and is capable of carrying out broader missions. Piorun is a Polish MANPAD and is based on the Gram system. Piorun is also called Gram-M and nicknamed Thunder. Produced by the Mesco company, this system underwent significant enhancements to increase the detection sensitivity of the warhead and engagement of targets at extended distances. With a maximum range of 6.5 kilometers or 4 miles, it effectively neutralizes airborne threats at considerable distances. It's designed to engage targets at altitudes of up to 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles, providing comprehensive air defense coverage. The missile has a fuse equipped with a proximity sensor, which allows for destroying the target in case of its close passing. The modernized launcher also features an additional day sight and a thermal vision sight, allowing the operator to efficiently set usage in night conditions. The system has a new starting mechanism that allows, among others, selection of pursuit collision mode, target type, weather conditions, performs friend or foe inquiry, communicates with optical and thermal imaging sites, and can be equipped with an authorization system. Turkey introduced Sungur in 2022. It's developed by Roketsan with the experience gained from HISAR and Stinger projects. Sungur is capable of day and night target detection, identification, tracking, and 360-degree shooting capability. It uses an imaging infrared or IIR seeker head and is equipped with upgradable identification friend or foe instructions. Sungur has a high explosive or semi-armor-piercing warhead and programmable impact fuse. It's a 2-stage solid propellant rocket which has high maneuverability. The system has a range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles and can hit targets at an altitude of 4 kilometers or 2.5 miles. The 9K333 Verba MANPAD is from Russian arms manufacturer KB Mashinostroyenia and is a successor to the Soviet-era Igla-S MANPADs. The system entered service with the Russian Armed Forces in 2015. The Verba system integrates a 9M336 missile in the launch tube, a 9P521 launching mechanism, and a 1L229V ground-based identification friend-or-foe IFF interrogator. The target engagement capabilities of the MANPAD can be further enhanced with the installation of target detection, recognition, and designation systems. The system has a range of 3 kilometers or 1.86 miles and can engage threats at a range of 3.5 kilometers or 2.2 miles. The 9M336 missile features a tri-mode passive homing seeker and carries a 2.5 kilogram or 5.5 pounds blast fragmentation warhead with an impact and proximity fuse. It offers a high countermeasure (CCM) capability in natural, cluttered environments and against pyrotechnic thermal decoys. The FIM-92 Stinger is a fire-and-forget MANPADs manufactured by America's Raytheon Missile Systems. It entered service with the U.S. Army in 1981 and is a successor to the FIM-43 Redeye. The missile is currently in service with more than 18 countries and the 4 U.S. Armed Forces. It's scored more than 270 hits against fixed and rotary wing aircraft. The Stinger system weighs 15.2 kilograms or 33 pounds and integrates a sight assembly, a grip stock assembly, a battery coolant unit, and a missile round. It employs the latest Stinger RMP missile equipped with a passive infrared seeker. It carries a 3 kilogram or 6.6 pounds warhead equipped with a proximity fuse. The missile has a range of 8 kilometers or 5 miles, an altitude of 3.5 kilometers or 2.2 miles, and a speed of Mach 2.2. Mistral is a French MANPADs that fires the Mistral missile, which is a latest generation fire-and-forget missile. It features a lightweight man-portable launcher. It can be easily transported and operated from the ground, a vehicle, a building, or a ship. Mistral MANPADs is normally operated by a gunner and a crew commander. However, if the mission is carried out in a simple tactical environment, it can be operated by one single soldier. It's a fully digital heat-seeking missile and boasts a 97% proven success rate. Mistral is very good at defeating flares ejected from the rear of a targeted aircraft since it uses proportional navigation using a gyro as a reference. To further enhance the ECCM capability, the seeker of Mistral has a very narrow field of view to reject decoys and interference. The seeker can tilt in the range of plus or minus 38 degrees. The missile has a range of 6 kilometers or 3.7 miles and a speed of Mach 2.7. Starstreak is a British MANPADs manufactured by Thales Air Defence, formerly Short's Missile Systems. The weapon can be affixed to vehicles as well. Each Starstreak missile weighs 30 pounds or 13 kilograms, and its range is 4.3 miles or 7 kilometers, with 3 miles or 4.8 kilometers ceiling. It's considered to be one of the fastest man-portable air defense missiles in the world, with a top speed of around Mach 4. Starstreak is a bit different from many other MANPADs. It uses SACLOS and laser beam guidance. Each Starstreak missile has 3 submunitions, also known as darts. The darts do not home in on laser energy reflected from the target, but instead the aiming unit projects 2 laser beams that paint a 2-dimensional matrix upon the target. The lasers are modulated, and by examining these modulations, the submunitions sensor can determine the dart's location within the matrix. The dart is then steered to keep it in the center of the matrix. Starstreak has a strike envelope of 7 kilometers or 4.35 miles. RBS-70NG, or New Generation, is a Swedish system developed by Saab. It's an improved variant of the RBS-70 system, which has been acquired by 19 countries worldwide. The MANPADs includes a missile in a launch container, a tripod firing stand, and an NG sight. It employs the new Bolide all-target missile equipped with a laser beam rider guidance system. The missile has a speed of Mach 2, a max flight altitude of 5 kilometers or 3.1 miles, and ranges exceeding 9 kilometers or 5.6 miles. The NG sight is a compact integrated guidance unit with an integrated thermal imager, built-in auto tracker, and advanced visual cueing aids. It offers a high hit probability and engages targets in clutter and countermeasures environments. The combined shaped charge and pre-fragmented warhead carried by the missile further enables the system to defeat aerial as well as ground targets protected with armor.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.